Hello YouTube, hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Yes, so we're here for camping for 2 nights. So we just arrived and here we go. That's the view. Ooh, oh yeah. Nature. Top of the mountain right now. And then we just finished set up the tent and there we go. Oh yeah, pretty. Woo! Ang ganda-ganda. Ika, maglakad tayo dito ng konti. Ooh, look at that. Trees. That's fun. And then the couple. Let me show you the other side of the mountain, the view, okay? And balik na tayo sa campsite. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. That is beautiful. Yay, nature! Yay, nature! Yeah! Ooh, that's fun. Cool. That's nice. Huge. It's a mountain.
Oh. Honey.
Huh?
Honey. Little chipmunk. Come here.
Where?
Chipmunk.
Hold on.
That little baby chipmunk.
Oh, that's so. Oh, that's how he leave.
So that log right there, or stump, it's like half corroded, and behind it is some sort of animal burrow. It's probably his.
So here's our tent. That's the tent. And then we get the nice view of the mountain right there. And then turn around. The tent. Neighbors. There you go.
You grab both 30s.
I bought two 30s, but one was for Donovan.
yeah, true.
I have a little baby one.
What are you doing?
Scratching.
I also have my phone on power saving mode.
What is this? What's that? For making fire?
Full of effort.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too.
Joe did most of the tent.
Mm.
Joe did the inside.
That's the tent.
Shit.
What's the tent?
I got tents and setting things up. Cooking I can't.
Each night, chuck a brownie down there.
So, yay! Nandito na kami sa campsite. Woo! And later we're gonna go fish.
Oh, it has the hook thing right there.
What are you doing?
Just filming.
Terrible.
I'm just gonna edit the voice or thing and just add music on it. That's it.
Okay, now flip it up.
And then I'm filming while you're doing your things like that. How did you do that?
There's tight.
The way I do it
Put the hook on.
is I tie a knot,
Bathrooms are pretty
which
clean.
is apparently hard.
I knew they would leave a stellar review of this bike. They said it was quieter. There's not many people.
No, the bathrooms are like hecka clean.
And
Like,
yeah,
it
that's
smells-
what they were saying.
Like cherry.
It smells better than our
Can you turn
bathrooms.
it up? And
And
welcome to the nature! Yay! Out of the city and we're enjoying the nature. Quiet, peaceful, and no pollution. Right?
Little. Still cars up here. We're polluting.
Oh, that's a big tent too. There's
It's
a
basically the same thing.
I mean, it's right down there. Do we really need to check it out?
He's a quiet town of day.
Well, we'd probably go up here. Let's go up here.
Look at all these.
Because there's a wide river.
Yeah.
You can feel the thinness of the air. Like my body's just keep on like, breathe deep, man. I'm just like, I am.
It doesn't affect me. Seems normal. My nose feels a little stuffy. That's probably the only difference I feel.
It is so quiet and peaceful in here. Okay.
So I think like these technically are 10 paths. Oh, okay, it has like a little, like sand.
Ooh. So we're gonna go fish.
I don't know. We're looking.
Oh, I've seen lake. Oh, cool. Yeah. I've seen lake. Oops. Ooh. It's been a while not walking, like going up, down the hill. Oh, like, that's kind of like, yay, that's a lake. Do you think there's a fish in it? A lake river? Oh, that's cool. It's nice and cold in here. Oh yeah. Oops.
Push her.
Look at that.
We got a fish right there. We're not gonna find shit to fish right here. That damn well. I mean, a few will come upstream,
Fighters.
but mostly not.
Yeah. So just walk through the edge and cut down on that.
I don't know, maybe the Y is further up. I think it's like, it could be.
I can't tell if that side goes up or down. I don't think it is.
Can you throw a big rock right into your phone?